This is Renee Thomas with DI Mind Mental Boost, and you're going to be doing a mini brain rewire. Addressing your thoughts and feelings is empowering, and it allows your brain to navigate easily through any situation. So, peace of mind is your overall mood, remaining motivated and grateful even with unexpected events. The result being able to assume the best, keep the big picture in mind, and make good out of every situation. You will be learning how to listen to your brain and not be afraid or frustrated with what it is saying. When your brain is saying something, instead of ignoring it, you will be with these 3 steps in a few minutes. Allow the thoughts to be heard and then released. This will allow the brain to let go and make peace naturally and easily of any unwanted thoughts or feeling. This is what your brain does for you all the time until it gets in a low vibe state or high anxiousness. Then it does not do it. So just sit back and relax. You're about to do a mini brain rewire. You're going to answer simple questions. You're going to do a mental task and then do a visualization. So what is this unwanted thought or feeling that you are having right now at this moment? We will be detaching the emotion that is attached to this thought that is causing you to keep rethinking it. So now grab a piece of paper, or you can just do it in your head. What is concerning you about this thought or feeling? This is your peace list. Write it down as a brief list if you are writing it down. What is concerning you about this thought or feeling that you're having? Now you're going to also, with each reason listed, you're going to rate the intensity. Think about the thought, the reason, and then rate the intensity in some way. Emojis or 1 to 10. You're doing a good job. Now, what you're going to do is turn that piece of paper over or in your mind as if you're turning over that piece of paper, and you're going to say, I lovingly release this. You're going to take a deep breath in and letting it out. Now look around and select any object, and you're going to make as many words out of it that you can. So for example, if it's computer, you'll look for the words in that word of computer: rope, tore, more, mute, caught. You got the idea. Go ahead and have some fun. This is not a win or lose situation. This is to help your brain to do step 2. Now you're going to visualize something peaceful, or you can just enjoy the scenery and the music. But the whole point is step 3 is to bring in a very nice feeling, something peaceful. 1, you try for that. if you are new to visualization, just take a deep breath and relax. Soon your brain will get used to it. As in anything we do in life, the first 1, 2, or 3 times may not seem as smooth as we would like it. But no worries. You will get very good at it in an extremely short period of time. Let's go on to round 2. Now look at your piece list. Read each reason on your list and ask yourself this question: what good reason do I have to keep this thought or feeling? What good reason do I have to keep this thought or feeling? Now turn your paper over and say the words, I lovingly release this. Take a deep breath in and let it out. And now go ahead and relax and just enjoy the music. Now select any letter from A to Z and write as many objects that you can start with that. So if you have the letter A, write A and do automobile, arrow, armchair, apple, and etc. Feel that sway of that hammock, or a swing, or floating, and just enjoy your Now let's do round number 3. Look at each reason on your list and ask yourself, am I ready to let this go? Look at each reason and ask yourself, am I ready to let this go? You're going to write down whether your brain is saying yes and which ones it is saying no to. It takes a little bit of training to listen to your brain when it's talking to you. So take your time. Just, am I ready to let this go? And then just be silent. And you will notice your brain will say yes or no. If it says maybe, that is always a no. So now what you're going to do is breathe. Okay, so now what we want to do is you're going to look at each color name of an object that is the color. Each color and name an object that is that color. So if the color is yellow, you're going to name objects like banana, sunflower, sun, and amber. Go ahead, it's your turn. How about gold? Or orange? Is that orange or gold? Now you're going to do the color green. After each session, you can try to think of things to make your peace list not so peaceful. What could have been the worst of it all? What still makes you concerned? When a thought or feeling is released completely, you will not be able to get the intensity to increase. When you do a test, always redo the video to leave the brain in a good place if there is an increase in the intensity. When you do this test after a video, now go ahead and write down 5 things about you that affirm your worth. I am. If these are coming difficult, do not worry. It will get easier as you do these videos. Your brain will have more clarity about yourself. Now write down something you wish you had more of in a particular situation. Like a situation you wish you had more patience, courage, trust, or empathy. Whatever you thought for the rest of today, Say that you have that quality in that situation. I have courage with new things. Is that what you wanted more of? Then just say that. Now you're going to just sit back, relax, enjoy the music until it ends. You did a good job. So always say after a session, you did a good job. Brain, you did a good job. And be grateful for the work that you've done. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost. Sit back and relax.